Hello everyone, I am India, leader Dhaka Bangladesh Administrators Group. I think everyone is doing well and staying safe. So we have organized another workshop 2 weeks ago, and this is our second workshop. Uh, Actually, we are focusing on Einstein Analytics. This is a very hot topic. We know everyone knows. Uh, we have many new members today with us. Okay, I think we can start our workshop now. I'd like to welcome our Einstein Analytics champion, Mohammad Eusuf, to start this session.
I'd like to say that this is going to be interactive, and I often switch between the participants, the screen. Okay, so and those who will not be following or practicing during the session, just feel free to say that I'm not practicing. And everybody got the mail and link. Are we okay with the training files?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so here I think this interface is known to everyone. I don't need to explain. One thing to check before we begin, that is we have to make sure this enable data sync and connection is on. Okay, and the easiest way is to go to analytics, click on settings, it will come up. So this checkbox basically allows the Salesforce's internal data to get synced with analytics. We will see furthermore during the session. So I am now going to opening Analytics Studio. Okay, so first, we will do today, that we will check how to create the data set, and so on. But for today, we will see one more thing, that how to create app, because as we are practicing, it is always better to have an app of own for practice on individual things. So just go there on Einstein Analytics Studio, create an app, create blank app, workshop, Dhaka, July 20. Anyways. So this is the app. We will see what we can do, and for even we can start from here, that we can start see the data sets and other things which is presently empty. So for this app, we can create data set directly from this app. That I'll show you the different way. For example, if I create from here one data set, and today first we will be working with Salesforce data. So if I select Salesforce data, I will name my data set workshop Dhaka data set. We have few options for the data flow. There is one default Salesforce data flow, but I always prefer to use my own data flow. So, okay. And today we will work from, for example, opportunity object from Salesforce. And here you see the plus sign. Clicking on this plus sign will show you all the fields and also the relationship. So today we will work with opportunity with account ID and owner. Easy to search, join. Let me drag it here. Now, what are the fields we will be taking from opportunity? Let's take first for field. Then we will take opportunity type. Then we will take opportunity stage. We will take, I think this much should be enough. And in account ID, we will take account ID, account name, number, billing state, what else could we take? Is there anyone want to take anything else? So you just unmute and tell me to select. Account type, yeah. Okay, so this was on account, and it is just click anywhere, it will disappear from the respective object. Okay, so plus it would be full name, and photo. Okay, so far we could follow up. Just tell me if I am going fast. Okay, so here we are creating the data set. Click on next. Here you see that it is asking where select an app for your data set. And I have created one app for this earlier workshop Dhaka July. So create data set. Usually in our real life, we need to check these jobs. Anyways, we'll come back to individual problems again. So now creating a data set. Remember there are four ways we can connect, four sources. One is CSV, Salesforce, external, and your data set. If you remember the earlier session, we have worked with CSV data, and I provided you one data set during the Zoom by file sharing. So basically that file how I created, we are going to create today. So that is CSV file. Where is that? Training data. We will take basic OPP external amount opportunity external amount, because on the Salesforce we have also created the data set on opportunity. So here what we are doing that assuming another external data from external data as CSV file, we are going to create data set. Okay, and let's do next. As I'm working directly from this app behind, so it is by default taking this app to save. Okay, and so we see that in that today's app, now we have 2 data sets. Now we will add into recipe. We are taking the Salesforce data and now we are going to create a recipe with the external data. So create recipe. So here the Salesforce from the opportunity object what we have taken, opportunity account and user, those are here. Just here is the add data. That means we are going to add data with the existing data set. And what is the name today? I can check with
basic op.
my, yeah, this workshop Dhaka. Okay. So here we are going to add the external invoice amount. So this is the opportunity object, opportunity and the internal Salesforce data. And see the name they have already marked as key because it found it matched account ID name with the name. And we are going to add also external invoiced amount. Just click here, and if we do done, here is the situation, and we create the data set. Okay. So it is, so what we wanted to show here that with Einstein Analytics, we can do a lot of things by this point and click. And let's wait for a few more days because in this summer, 20 more features and facilities are coming, even for these stories, lenses, and even for recipes. So that's what was aimed for today's workshop.